Hi, this is Rich from houseburns.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses, and we'd like to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a lot of money. Today we're working with a clogged bathtub drain, and we're going to show you how to clear it. So just take a screwdriver, put it in there, unscrew it, and the whole stopper assembly comes out. And then what you're going to find, more than likely, is that there is definitely an obstruction. Over time, as people use a shower, their hair gets caught in there, and if you have people with long hair, it's, a little bit grim, but get some pliers and just start pulling on that. You might get it a clump at a time. It is kind of gross, but think about the money that you're saving by doing this on your own. Okay, so this one is definitely a fur bunny. All right, well, that is pretty disgusting. But I think we could probably attribute that to the problem that's in this drain. And then you can look down in there, and there's even more coming out. That's what's good about Needlenose pliers. They can get way down in there. Okay, so it's pretty obvious that there's a bunch of hair caught down in this drain. A great tool for clearing that, just take a coat hanger. So here's a standard coat hanger, and just break off one of the ends and fashion a little hook, like a fishing hook. And then just stick that down in the drain and start pulling until you get some of the clogged hair to come up, or whatever debris is down in there. See? It's just like fishing. Hey, I caught some disgusting clogged hair. All right, hey, look at all that. This is like the mother lode coming up. So it does definitely seem like this has a lot to do with the problem of why water couldn't go down this drain very well. That just happens over time. I mean, as people have long hair and they shower every day, this kind of stuff's just going to get caught in your drain. That's just the way it is. But just, have a bag handy. You don't have to touch it or anything. Just get it out, drop it into your bag. Sometimes you can just get it started with the hanger, and then you can move on to Needlenose pliers and just start pulling the rest of it out. It's a lot more sturdy. Whoa, pretty grim. Alright, well, after you fish everything out for a while, you can go get a flashlight and look down in the drain, and if it looks like you've got the vast majority of it out, you should be in great shape. Alright, so now we're just going to test it out. We're going to turn the water on and see how the drain clears. And that's doing great. So it definitely appears that this, this grim bag of stuff was the culprit. Big hair clog. So, just clean that out every couple of months or so, and you'll have a nice draining bathtub and shower. We want to put our stopper assembly back how we had it before. So, there's a hole down there in the middle of the drain, and it lines up with these threads that are at the bottom of the stopper. Just got to find the center and then screw it counterclockwise. Get that in there nicely. Secure that. And you've got this little top piece. It also goes clockwise. There, that way you can leave it up if you're having a shower, or put it down if you're going to have a bath. Now we have a clog-free bathtub and shower. I hope that helps you unclog your bathtub, shower, and drain. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and also consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, because we have a ton of home improvement videos coming out soon. So thanks much for viewing.